Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the Fractal Channel Breakout Indicator. Okay, so let us head over to the MQL5 marketplace. The indicator is currently selling for 30 US dollars. However, the platform allows us to test the free demo, and that is what we are going to do in this video. We're going to test the free demo, using our strategy tester. Okay, so in a few seconds we should have the indicator added here, the free demo version, of course. All right, so we're just going to drag and drop and then click on test, and then we're going to click on start. All right, so in a moment we're just going to be looking at how the indicator functions, here on the strategy tester. All right, we want to understand how the indicator works. Now, as you can see, it's a straightforward indicator, right? It displays the KT fractal channel. All right, you can see it displays the KT fractal channel, and the upper line is serving as a dynamic resistance, the upper purple line serving as a dynamic resistance, while the lower pink line is serving as a dynamic support. All right, so we can also see that there is a upward blue arrow giving us a buy signal, and the downward red arrow giving us a sell signal. All right, so in addition to the channel, we also have precise buy and sell signals with the aid of the arrows. All right, so I will always recommend that you take your trades in the direction of the trend. All right, buy in a bullish trend, sell in a bearish trend. Currently we are in a bearish trend, right? So I want to only look out for sell opportunities within this trend. Okay, make sure you always get confirmations before executing your trade. Remember that no indicator is foolproof. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.